Yeah, all day long I lounge around and play video games, watching the days go by.
What the fuck is up, everybody? This is your motherfucking Sing Crazy Bray back in another videos back in, bitch. We're about to do something different on the channel for now. I know it's been getting tedious. I mean, just playing Minecraft day after day after day. So I figure I might as well go ahead and switch it up a little bit. And also, if I do sound like I'm a little bit disappointed, I am really disappointed today because if you guys didn't watch my video on the Sing Crazy official channel, yeah, my phone is not working right now. Like, look, see, I've been holding this fucking power button down all day long, just like this, and it won't turn on, it won't do anything, and it pixelated. Here's what it did. So it pixelated. So here's what happened. So I was trying to fix the internet on here because I was trying to access Pandora, obviously, when I was trying to access Pandora, it told me it had no Wi-Fi on it. So I went ahead and took out the SIM card on it, which the SIM card is located, I think, right around here somewhere. But yeah, I took out the SIM card and then I took it out for about 5-10 minutes, and I put it back in. And as soon as I put it back in, this thing pixelated, and blank screen, it pixelated on the top and the bottom. It said in pink letters, and it was all pixelated like a Nintendo game, kind of like this that we're about to play right now. And yeah, it said SOS on it in pink letters, and it was all pixelated on both the bottom and the top of it. And then it shut off. It's never been able to work ever since. So I've been trying to charge it up. I've been trying to fucking do this with it. There's nothing I can really do with it for now. So yeah, I'm gonna be without a phone for a minute, and it kind of disappoints me a little bit, but I guess it is what it is, you know. Let me go ahead and check to make sure I got all the settings. Yeah, let's see, key bindings. Yeah, let's do up like that and then down. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed about that. So yeah, if I don't sound that confident and that energetic in this video, that's why. Yeah, it's just ridiculous though. Let's see. Let's do single player. All right, yeah, there we go. Okay, now we're cooking. So yeah, this is called Terraria. I've never really played Terraria. I've been wanting to play it for a minute. But now since we're done with Biomutant, I figured we might as well go ahead and try some Terraria. And I honestly don't know what we're getting into, but let's get into it. So, new player. Okay, we can name our let's name our character Sing Crazy, because that's my name, you know. And journey. There's a lot of shit. So we can play on journey, classic, medium, hardcore. So medium core, characters drop items on death. Classic, characters drop money on death. Let's just do the money. Let's just drop our money on death. Yeah, let's just do classic. Let's do classic. Now we can choose our character to look like. Oh, let's do a lab coat. Let's do a lab coat. That looks pretty cool. We could change the eye color. No way. No way. That's hard. All right, I'm changing the eye color on this character. So let's see. Let's have him have green eyes like I do, because I got green eyes, I think. Right? Right? Do I got green eyes? I don't know. But yeah, and then so we could change. We could even change the color of the coat. I think that's not the coat. That's the shirt. Let's give him a blue shirt. Blue shirt. Yeah, there we go. Blue shirt, and then let's do a white coat. Cause why not? Why not? He's gonna be a doctor, you know. Might as well. Cause we're gonna be a doctor on here. So there we go. That looks pretty dandy, I guess. Alright, looks like a doctor. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and create. There we go. Now we got our character. Okay, so now we create a character. Let's go ahead and hit play. New world. So we could make a new world. Ooh, I like all the different large, small, medium. Let's do small. Let's do small world. Actually, no. We should do medium. Or wait a minute. Yeah, let's just do small. Let's do small. Name. Let's call it. Lost and Broken Dreams. Yeah, might as well call it that. Might as well. And then corruption. Disease like corruption is guaranteed to be present in your world. Ooh. So I can choose corruption, or crimson. Let's do random. Let's see. Let's let fate decide. See what it will give us. Okay, create. Now, okay, here we go. Now we're creating a new world. Keep an eye out for goodie bags around Halloween. If you open them up, you can find all sorts of spooky items. Trick or treat. Oh yeah, it's actually almost about Halloween anyway. So this is a pretty good timing. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So let's hit play. Ooh, there's our character. So we jump like that. Okay. And I think we get wood. Hold on. I think I know exactly how to do this. Okay. we gotta get wood. That's all I know. It's kind of like Minecraft. Almost. We just gotta get wood. And, yeah, let's see. Yes, I got wood. Alright, let's go ahead and chop down some more trees. And thank you for the money. Somebody just gave me money. Who is that little fella right there? I don't even know. Okay, let's see. Ooh, let's get some more wood. Is that a slime? That's a slime. Oh my god. Let's kill him. Kill your nasty little slimes. You little bags of slime, I'm gonna kill you all. I think I'm gonna build a house on here. I think I know how to do it, but I'm just getting some wood because might as well. It's like Minecraft just about. That's all I know about Terraria. It's kind of like the sister to Minecraft, just about, almost. Not really though, but I'm still gonna clear all this out. Because why not? It's basically like Minecraft, just about, but it's not at the same time. It's a completely different game with a complete different set of rules, a bunch of different sets of things to do on here. And I think Terraria can also get modded too, so we might be able to do modded on here. Shit, I don't know. We'll see. But for now, I'm just a scientist trying to cut down trees, and I'm just trying to live my life without getting killed by slimes, which seem to be the main thing on here. Oh my god, it's almost like I am playing Minecraft, because I've been killed by slimes. I mean, not like in this game right now, because I'm getting killed right now. So I just gotta watch out. I'm gonna chop down all these stumps, because these stumps, I need to get them out of here. Fucking slime, what the hell are you doing? Slime, get the fuck out of here. Thank you for the copper, though. Thank you for the sweet copper. Very, very nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and, let's go ahead and just clear all this out. Okay. Sure, I can get that flower out of there. I can't get it out. Okay, never mind. Alright, let's see if we can start placing, yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. Let me go ahead and break that. Let's go ahead and break that. I did not want to do that. Oh, wait. How do I break? Hold on. Okay, that's how you break it. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and look at my inventory. Is there a way for me to look at my inventory? Oh yeah, I just hit escape. Okay, there we go. Alright. Damn it, stop trying to kill me, you fucking slime. Let's go ahead and, crafting. Okay, so this is where we need. Okay, we need a workbench. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the workbench down, I guess, right. Let's put it down. Can we put it, yeah, let's just put it down right there next to that flower. Okay, now, come on. Fucking die, stupid fucking slime. Okay, let's see. Alright, so now, can we make doors now? Let's see. A wooden door can be placed. Okay, let's see. Alright, let's make a wooden door. Let's place it down. I think I know exactly what we need to do now. So hold on. I'm gonna put the door down over there. I think I know exactly what I need to do. So let's see. Do I need to make a? I don't need to make a shovel, do I? Actually, yeah. I think I know. I think I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Let's just go ahead and yeah. Let's try that. Let's try this method out. Let's try this method out. All right, you get the fuck out of there. Thank you for killing the slime, though. Oh my god, I'm trying to do something. Why the fuck are you trying to kill me, you motherfucker? Motherfucker's trying to kill me right now. Alright, let's see. Wait, why can't I not place the door? The fuck? It's not letting me place down any doors. What the fuck? Wait. Are you being real right now? This game will not let me place down doors. What the fuck? What's the use of the doors anyway, then? If I can't even fucking place them down anywhere, like, what the fuck? Dude. Why can I not place doors down? Fucking weird. Minecraft's easier, though. Like, I could place doors all down on Minecraft all day, but on here, I don't even know, dude. I don't even know, and I can't even, and the thing that sucks about it is I can't even fucking use my phone to look it up, because that's usually how I do everything on here. I can't even do that now, because my phone is out of commission, so I really don't know what else to do. Fucking, how do I even place down a door in fucking Terraria? That's the main question. I'm gonna search it up real quick. Hold on. Is my recording still going? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and, yeah, how to place doors in Terraria. By 3x1 blocks. There also needs to be a block just above the... Okay. So 3x1. What does that even mean, though? A 3x1? Are you saying I need to build something that's a 3x1? Like, what the hell are you even saying right now? Like, I just don't understand. A 3x3. Alright, I'm placing down blocks right now. Until I figure this shit out, because I don't even know, dude. Alright. Let's see, I'm gonna fucking do something like this, I guess. I don't even know at this point. So they just want me to fucking do something like this, maybe? Fucking A, dude. I'm building a shelter because I don't want these slimes trying to kill me right now. Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell, slimes? Fucking A, dude. What the hell was that, though? Hold on, I need to... Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Terraria is a different game. It is a very different game from what I'm used to. So I'm just trying this game out. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, then it is what it is, I guess. But a 3x3 fucking... What do you mean by a 3x3? Like, what the fuck? Hold on, I need to break that now. Alright. What does it mean by a 3x3, though? Like, I don't understand it. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm trying to figure this out. Hold on. Is that what they mean by a 3x3? Oh, that's what it means. Okay, I get it now. Okay, cool. Now I know what a 3x3 means. Okay, cool. This game's kind of I don't know, dude. I haven't really got a clue on what. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna break this and yeah, let's put our workbench in here. There we go. I guess that works. That's a good little house, you know, to surviving, I guess. Let me go ahead and get some. Let me go ahead and get some more wood and more resources because we're probably gonna need some more. You never know. You never know. Might as well get some. But yeah, this is definitely different than Minecraft. So yeah, the feel's gonna be a little bit different. and then me going back to playing Minecraft is gonna be like, it's gonna be a challenge. But hey, you know, at least we're playing another game, and y'all been begging for me to play another game, so might as well go ahead and play a little bit Terraria. So yeah. It's a pretty cool game, I think. So far, I gotta play this game a little bit more in order for me to make a really good like association on it. If that's the word, I don't even know, dude. But what's this down here? Ooh, what's this down here? Hold on. What's this? Ooh, I found copper. Oh, that's nice. So I'm guessing copper's kind of like iron on Minecraft on here. So yeah, let's see. Ooh, and they even got water breathing on here too, just like on Minecraft. That's pretty cool. Fucking die, little fucking slimes. I don't need you. Die, please die for me. Thank you for dying. You stupid fucking slimes. You always out here trying to kill me. I don't know why they're trying to kill me, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna fucking dig down here. Alright, you slimes better not come in here and try to fucking kill me right now. Oh, you just got met with death right now. These motherfuckers are trying to kill me right now. What the fuck? Okay, I got stones. Oh yes. This is like Minecraft a little bit. Yeah, I guess they weren't lying about this being the sister to Minecraft, just about. Because I mean, it's kind of the same concept, but not really though. Because Minecraft does have copper in it, and yeah, Minecraft's starting to incorporate some of the Terraria shit on here. That's pretty cool. I think there even is a Terraria mod for Minecraft. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, this is so far this is pretty good. I like it so far. This is very intriguing. I want to see what's down here though. Is there a way? Hold on. Can I make torches on here too? Let me look. Hold on. I wanna. Hold on. Oh no, that's not sounding good. Do they got zombies on here just like in Minecraft? Oh my god, I just heard one. I just heard a zombie. Oh my god, there are zombies on here. Die. Die, zombie. Okay, I'm gonna kill the zombies. Oh no! Stupid fucking slimes! Stop trying to kill me. Stop trying to kill me, bruh. Alright, hold on. Let me look and see if I can make, can I make torches? Yes, I can. I need gel and, any wood. Okay. It looks like I got some gel, so. Yeah. Let's go ahead and make some torches. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Alright, so yeah, let's make some more torches. Let's make as many as we can. And, yeah, because we need as many of them as we can. And we got gel. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and place down the torches in here. Light it up a little bit in here. That looks okay, I guess. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look and see what else we can find. Wait, is there a way we can craft a bed on here? Kind of like in Minecraft. Let's see if we can. Hold on. I want to see if we can. Crafting. Let's see. We can make a furnace. Let's go ahead and make a furnace. Let's place the furnace down, I guess. Can we place it up there? Yeah, let's place the furnace up there. And, oh my god, there's a zombie trying to get through. Oh my god, zombies are trying to kill me right now. Oh my god, that's not good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, switch that out. Okay, there we go. Alright, kill him. Die. Die, zombies. Oh my god. How do I get back? Oh wait, is it respawning? Okay, it's automatically respawning me in. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'm back. I'm back in the game now. Okay. Oh yes, die, 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 die. Die! Die, you mother of bitches. Thank you. Thank you for dying. Alright, so, hold on. Hold on, I need to make... Hold on. I want to make an opening right here, and, I guess let's go ahead and, yeah, let's get the wood. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and, build this up a little bit more. Let's do it like this. There we go. Damn it! No, you fucking zombies! I hate you. I hate all these zombies on here. What the fuck? Are they trying to? They're trying to kill me again. No. No, fuck that. Is there a way I can actually make? Hold on. I want to see what I can. I want to see what all I can make on here. Let's see. Crafting. Yeah, let's see. A wooden fence. I can make a wooden fence. I can make wood walls. Yeah, let's make some wood walls. Might as well. Might as well. To make our house look a little bit better, I guess. Yeah, let's go to yeah, and then let's hit escape again. Okay, there we go. So hold on. Do the wooden walls just go up like this? Okay, yeah, there we go. That's looking nicer. That's looking nicer. Okay. Okay, I like how it's turning out so far. Okay, there we go. Ooh. I like it. I like it. I like it. This is really turning out to be a great little project. And the zombies are trying to kill me right now. Oh my god, look at how many are here. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, they're trying their best to get through here, but I'm building this shit up right now, so I ain't got time for them. I ain't got time for them right now, and I just ran out of that. Okay, that's alright. That's alright, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's slaying time now. Hold on. Oh yes, die, 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 die! Yes! I am killing these zombies. I'm killing all of them. Fuck out of here, zombies. Alright, there we go. Alright, so yeah. I'm starting to learn a little bit about this game. It's pretty cool. Hold on, let me look and see what other things we can craft real quick. Crafting. So we can make stone walls, let's make some more wood walls. Let's do it. Might as fucking well. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and hit escape. There we go. Let's go ahead and what the fuck is that thing? What is that flying eye thing? What the hell? So there's flying eyes in this game. The more you know, I guess. What the hell, dude? Alright, this is pretty well boarded up, I think. Yeah, this is pretty well boarded up. Alright, let's see. Yeah, we just gotta get the last couple things down here. And then, yeah, it looks like nobody can really get into our house, so that's good. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, looks like I sealed up everything. It's a nice little house, I think. For now. Yeah, let's go ahead and finish that up. Okay, there we go. There we go. That looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and no. I'm not gonna end the video yet. Let's try to kill this eye thing. Let's see if it drops anything good. Come here, eye. Come here, eye. Come here, LC and I. Come here, kill. I'm gonna kill you. Eye. Come back here. Come back here. That's a demon eye. What the fuck? It's a demon eye. What the hell? Ooh. Come here. You probably drop a lot of great shit. Come back here. And the zombies can't even get me. You motherfuckers can't kill me right now. Oh yeah. Come back here, you demon eye. I'm killing the demon eye. Oh my god, dude. What is he gonna drop? What does he drop, though? What does he drop, though? I want to kill him. I want to kill him. I want to kill the demon eye. Give me that loot. Give me that loot. Give me that loot. Come here. Yes. What did he drop, though? Oh my god. Okay, I killed the zombie. Okay, so what did he drop, though? What did that demon eye even drop? Let me look and see what he dropped. Yeah, because escape is the key for us to get into our inventory. Okay, so yeah, I don't know exactly what he dropped, but hey, we killed the demon eye, so yeah, I guess I can end the video from there. Holy shit, there's a lot of zombies trying to kill me right now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the first video on this, and you guys want me to play this again, go ahead and let me know down in the comments down below. If you guys want me to just keep doing the Terraria, I will, and kind of learn more about this game. But I pretty well learned everything I think I'm going to learn for now. And yeah, if you guys got any tips on how to play this game, definitely let me know. But yeah, anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. This is your motherfucking Crazy signing out, and I will see you guys on next episode of Terraria. If you guys want me to do this, which I don't know if you guys do, and these zombies are annoying as shit. I don't know if y'all can hear me. But these, oh my god, dude, these zombies are annoying. I'm gonna kill them. I'm gonna kill them. Fuck out of here, zombies. Zombies are annoying on this game. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Fucking die. Thank you, but never come again. Alright, so yeah. These zombies are annoying. But yeah, okay, mission complete. Okay. I didn't even know we were on missions and shit. That's pretty cool. But yeah, hold on. I'm gonna try something real quick. All right. Yeah, it looks like they're all retreating. Okay. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is your motherfucking Crazy signing out, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Terraria. Depending on if you guys want me to play this more, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you do. But yeah, and also if you guys got any suggestions on how to play this game, let me know down in the comments as well. Because I still don't even know a whole lot about this game, and I really don't know like what our main mission is, what we're supposed to do on the game. I really don't know any of that shit. So yeah, if you guys know anything about it, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we are gonna get to that 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm hoping. We'll get there. We'll get there soon. It's just gonna take time, but we're gonna do it. And yeah, I'm hoping we can by the end of the year. I'm not holding my breath, but if we get to 100 subscribers, that'd be great. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. This is your motherfucking Crazy signing out, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Terraria. Like, if you guys want me to. That all depends, but we'll see. We'll see. We might turn this into a series. I don't know. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Should we turn this into a series, or should we not? That's all up to you. Anyway, this is your motherfucking Crazy signing out.